Hi everyone, I am Abhishek Kumar Singh and I am from Uttar Pradesh. I had joined eVision in April 2024 under the guidance of eVision team faculty member. I had covered different IT modules. After covering all different IT modules, I got selected in a Teams computer with salary package of 2.4 LPA. So eVision is a great place to enhance your skill, and the faculty member of the eVision team are so good and polite. The eVision faculty member, they provide a real-time example for better understanding of the IT modules, and they also provide an environment of real-time organization. So I would like thank you eVision for providing me such type of information and helping me to get a job. Thank you so much. Thank you, eVision team.